So we've got, we'll start with the loose head props. So Haereti coming out of Drua, Maui coming out of Saracens, UK. There it is there. For our hookers, Matawalu, who's becoming one of our confirmed leaders, Ikanivere, Tex, who has done well and shown some form with the Drua, so is Dolokoto. Tight head prop, Masangi Donge, who is one of our leaders, and another one who we feel has shown, experienced player that's shown some form is Saulo, Manasa, who comes into the squad, and it'll be exciting for him to see if he can find some form and the desire to become a Flying Fijian again after years of being there and thereabouts. We'll be asking a lot from him. Luke Tuggy is named as well. He's not on the list, but he's named. At lock, we have some two exciting young players coming through the Drua, which you'll notice there. Nasilasila, Saulo, who we feel will offer competition for spots from some of our older heads that have been around. Tex Ratula, who's there. Temo, who's now available. Leon have lost their qualification spot for top 14, as have Toulon. So those players will become readily available to us once they've done their club's checks and will be travelling to us. We've got some old heads there, you can see. Api will come in, who joined the squad last November. He will bring experience, and it's always important to have these older heads that know the ropes and know the demands of test level to explain to these players, because we're very excited that Drua has done well, but international level is another step up. So having these players next door will be important. The back row of interest there is Lomani Vota, who can play both positions but offers us a profile over the ball, very quick to contact, very hard to get away from the ball, and we're a team that likes turnovers. You've seen that with Drua as well, and players of that ability to get in and secure ball in a turnover situation will help us play what we feel is traditional Fiji rugby. So that's one of his strengths. Kuruvoli comes out of Edinburgh. Albert Tuasui has had another great season. T and Rusiate have come out of Drua. Once again, a good mix of players from Europe, test players and players who will have test experience. I think the halfbacks, we've seen Frank step up as the season's gone on with the Drua. Lomani, Simi's been injured, but can play 10 as well if he gets time. And Peni's the energy. He's the energizer that comes to the team, and he's got to sort out some of his core skills, but brings a lot of attitude to the team, and we need to have attitude. Our 5'8", Ben has been there for a long time. Teti has offered something a little bit different, another profile, and we like his leadership and the way he bosses the team around. And both him and Ben offer different qualities, and they will help each other develop with the strengths they have. Some interesting centres that we know can play several other positions. Of interest is the qualified player through eligibility qualifications in World Rugby is Seta Tamanivalu, who will join us. He's an ex-Crusader. I've had time with the Crusaders. He's been an All Black. He's someone who's playing rugby in Japan. He's an ultimate professional, and he will add value next to people that have joined the squad. Vota, Ravouvou, those players who are joining Test match rugby for the first time. It'll be important to have experienced player. And Lomani Botito has done well, and we've got the old head of twice, Nasilasila, who was captain last November, so brings experience. Exciting wingers, really on the edge. If we can get turnovers, we can get ball to the outsides. We've got centres that can pass the ball, we've got centres that are powerful, and if we can get the ball to those outsides. Juta Wanakolo is now available with Toulon. They didn't qualify, so he'll be able to rest up and join us, as is Josh Tuasova, is out with Leon. Habosi, you don't need to introduce him. It was one of the easiest selections to make. And Manasa has been going well for the Hawks, and he will, once again, he's an experienced player. He knows the ropes of high performance and high level. He will help behavioural, help these players adapt to test match level and have the behaviour to be able to perform properly within. Our fullbacks, we've got some good options there. Nice young player coming through, Droasese. We think he has potential and we want to give him an opportunity. Big dual player, good under the high ball, something that we're missing. We've got Seta, who's probably a smaller figure, but very quick and very good on counter-attack and takes initiative. So there's a real good balance between those two. We can change our game depending on who we use, and good opportunity for them to grow.